So I've been working for the last couple hours in this room. I was wearing my devices, came in, I was wearing the mask because we have participants in the building today. And now I realized that the right instrument is not on my ear anymore. And I know that I had them earlier today, but I've looked on the floor around here and I can't find it anywhere. So what can I do? One of the newest features that we have is called Find My Hearing Aid. And if I go in on the Thrive app for the devices that are compatible with the Thrive app and locate the Find My Hearing Aid portion, it shows, interestingly, that both devices are still connected. So I know it can't be far, it's just not in here. And there's an additional feature that has sort of a divining rod function that shows that the left ear is near, and that blue line gets fuller, thicker, when I'm closer to the device. The right device is showing me nothing, but it is showing that I'm still connected. So what I can do is actually use this to see if I'm getting warmer or colder as I'm getting closer or farther away from the lost device. So let's see if I can find it. So what I'm doing is just using the indicators on the bottom of the screen to show whether I'm getting warmer. Ooh, I'm getting really warm. And actually, if I come down now, and there it is. Clearly, as I was entering into the office, when I opened the door and took off my mask, it flipped the device off, and I didn't even realize it. Now, what happens if I left that device and I went home and the battery went dead? It would show the last place that the phone was connected to the device on a map, so that I didn't have to rack my brain if I went home and wondered, was it in my car, was it at home, or did I, in this case, leave it at work? This is a very useful feature that will save a lot of headaches in finding those lost or misplaced devices.